This video presents the final inspection procedure after installing the SP-401S lighting unit. Each step ensures that the lamp is properly assembled, securely installed, and ready for operation in the field. Ensure that all stickers have been removed before operation. Remove the sticker from the solar panel surface to prevent reduced charging efficiency. Ensure that the red warning stickers are removed from the underside of the lamp so that the pressure equalizing valve and the transport fuse remain fully uncovered. Verify that the antenna is installed and secured with the rubber gasket in place. Ensure the antenna is tightened clockwise until fully seated, as a proper seal is required for weather protection and reliable radio communication. Check that all screws, nuts, and mounting components are installed and tightened to the correct torque. Loose hardware may compromise lamp stability. If necessary, re-tighten according to the torque value specified in the installation manual. Verify that the solar panel cable is correctly connected to the lighting unit. The solar connector includes 4 pins, each numbered, with pin 4 being the thickest. The input port on the SP-401 has 4 matching numbered holes. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. When the solar panel is connected correctly and the lamp is placed outside during daylight, the status LED indicator can be used to verify both solar charging status and battery level. The status LED sequence can be triggered when the lamp is turned on, the lamp is turned off, or the intensity is changed. The status LED flashes in a 2-sequence pattern. The first sequence shows the charging status. First flash shows solar charging status, and the second flash shows the cable charging status. The second sequence shows 10 flashes. The next 10 flashes display the battery level. Each green flash represents roughly 10% charge. A fully charged battery will produce mostly green flashes. Ensure the batteries are fully charged and solar cable charging is confirmed before operating the lighting unit. For more information on how to read the status LED indicator, please refer to the video SP-401S, Device Operation via Status LED Indicator. To perform the local activation test, press the emergency switch twice. The lamp should illuminate immediately at full intensity. This confirms that internal power and LED modules are functioning correctly. When activated through the emergency switch, the lamp also sends a radio signal to other units in the same group, causing them to activate as well. Emergency mode overrides all remote commands and cannot be turned off remotely. It must be deactivated using the correct press sequence, and prolonged use should be avoided because this mode does not protect the batteries from deep discharge. To verify remote operation, activate the lamp using a control device such as the UR101 handheld controller, UR201 or the ALCMS system. For an accurate test, place the lamp at least 300 meters away from the controller to ensure proper radio communication and signal propagation. When the remote command is sent, the lamp should illuminate according to the selected intensity level. A successful response confirms that the radio module, antenna, and communication settings are functioning correctly. Verify that the solar panel is oriented toward the optimal sun path for your region. In the northern hemisphere, the solar panel should face south; in the southern hemisphere, it should face north. The panel can be freely adjusted around the lamp to achieve the best exposure to direct sunlight throughout the day. Proper orientation ensures maximum charging efficiency and reliable battery performance. For more information on how to orient the solar panel, please refer to the video, SP-401S, Solar Panel Orientation. Verify that the lamp is installed with the correct optical orientation for its specific application. Directional and bidirectional optics must face the intended runway direction, to ensure the light projects in the correct direction. For threshold end lights, the green LED must face the threshold, while the red LED must face the runway. For runway edge lights, the white LEDs must be aligned parallel to the runway axis. Correct optical alignment is essential for meeting aviation requirements and ensuring the lamp performs as intended in the field. For more information on how to align the SP-401S based on LED optic type, refer to the video, SP-401S, Placement and Alignment. Once all checks are complete, the SP-401S Lighting Unit is ready for service. Verifying hardware integrity, electrical connections, charging status, optical alignment, and remote or local activation ensures that the lamp will operate safely and reliably in the field. Completing this final inspection confirms that the installation meets operational requirements and is fully prepared for airfield deployment. For more information on first activation procedure, please refer to the SP-401S User's Manual and Installation Manual.